you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
There's only one bathroom? I changed, there's about like 20 people waiting. If you count like the booths. You didn't get to see it then? No, I'm not waiting. I do better going in the bushes. And I got a booth. Oh yeah, you nice in there. What's going on, man? How you got a new one? Yep. Yeah. I'm on the demo. Yeah, I'm gonna be in your video. What you running here, man?
We still got the X24s.
Yeah.
Yep, we still got the X24s.
Yeah, I know you're gonna put a lot of power on something. I remember last time.
Yeah. We got a little bigger box this time. So.
Oh yeah. What was it in last time? Like a little blazer or something?
Man, Escape, and that thing was tiny, huh?
Yeah, you ain't had no room, but you made it work.
We made it work. We made that shit work.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get out of this.
I know it moves some wind in here.
Are you live? Oh, you live. You getting me a live action phone here. You know that's not smart, right?
That makes it on.
You finding out what song we gonna
Yep.
do?
Some Tupac.
Don't slow fast forward on some cool, take jumps on the photos. Mailman with the shit, gun posto.
Wow. Try to switch it up a little bit too.
Starting to smell a little.
Give me the lotion flag up the phone.
DJ
Pop a perky, just got 2 cups of purple. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash. Up the lid. Because I'm flexing raw wrist. Head on me.
Get into your drive. We can't find a good music. What's that? Alright. Try to get one to the guy. Go to guy.
What the deal? Big. I got wasn't stuck. Someone said, hey, well, I'm my dog. You know, I got
How's that for truck off demos?
What is that?
How's
That
that
truck
for
went on?
truck off demos?
I thought it was on.
I thought it was on too.
I thought it was on.
Truck off demos? Truck
What does it
off.
sound like with it on?
That's all battery.
It wasn't exactly.
The demo battery only on. Yeah, it's nice right now. It's real nice. Wow.
And he's still getting it. Now that he found a good think they're hot.
Oh.
Yeah, they're a little hot.
No, they're cold.
Okay.
What? How the coils feel? Like, seriously, how the coils, just stick your finger on it. Don't kill yourself now.
They're warm.
They're warm or they like?
I ain't gonna burn myself.
Okay.
Then we stopped in Conway, had dinner with
I mean, I can start to smell them a little bit, but they're not.
Ain't too bad. Not like last time.
Yeah, last time we got a little stinky, didn't we?
Yeah, you was smoking the back a little bit back
How's
there.
your little box sound?
Huh?
How's your box sound?
It's alright, yeah, it ain't too bad.
Get a demo from you.
Yeah, I'll get you one, yeah.
I never. Oh,
Never fuck without a rub. Work it on top of the club. Never fuck without a rub. Never fuck without a rub. Work it on top of the club.
Yeah, different. Hold on. Let them know what you're running here, man.
We got the XT4s running on 116K current, 1.4 ohm.
Okay, yeah.
Shake load.
Yes, sir. Let them know they can find you on, are you online, y'all?
Facebook. Yeah, just Facebook for now.
Okay, where can they find you?
Marcus Canoa.
Okay. Y'all be sure to give him a follow. I appreciate it, bro. Yes, sir.
You over here just assembling the damn truck.
Oh, yeah.
And here's the box builder.
Yes, sir. Them look good in there, man. Yeah, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.